Begone, demon!
Hey guys, Dan from World of Mr. Grey, Dan Daff, the Grey, welcome Greylins. If I look tired, it's because I am. It's been a while since we've done a breakdown, it's also been a while since we did them consecutively, if that is the word. This is a series I did last year, where I did them each top 5s in a row. Probably not going to be every day, but it's going to be like one after each other, in a small space. Top 5 channels, they've gone downhill vastly for a while now, as we all know. But I am confident that they are now top notch. Today we are going to watch Sir Spooks. My name is Sir Spooks. Top 5 scary videos never to watch alone. I'm alone and I'm watching it. Ow. Anyway, please go to Sir Spooks' video first. Watch that, like and subscribe. Whatever we want to do, then come back and we'll see what we can see. Link in the description.
Hello everyone, my name is Sir Spooks, and today we'll take a look at 5 scary videos. We all know that kids can be absolutely adorable, especially our own.
Creepy
sometimes
kids.
They can be downright terrifying without having any intention of it, such as the case here. In this first video in a series of TikTok videos, these young kids seem to be having fun.
We're already on TikTok. The scientific board is right there. We are already on TikTok. Because TikTok always films in portrait mode, I can move it like that.
Dad, who uploaded the video to his account, says that he heard
Elliot,
the youngster whispering 5 minutes prior to this. The dad then asks the boy what he's doing.
Elliot, what are you doing? Oh, that's cool. What's that? What's that in the corner? Oh,
There's a man
why have
hanging.
you drawn that? Oh, really? Okay.
Someone's been watching every paranormal movie ever existed with kids in it. So far, it is highly, highly predictable and cliche. That's not to say it's not true.
The dad asks why he drew that. The kid alludes to the fact that there is a hanging ghost somewhere in his room.
Elliot, what are you doing? Oh, really? Okay. Okay, thank you.
It's TikTok. I'm not going to get into worry already. You already know what I think of TikTok. But, I mean, kids do have an overactive imagination when they're that age. Could be that. Or it could be a TikTok video. Now, I'm not saying the parents are feeding him what to say for the TikTok video. The TikTok is called Paranormal Theory. I don't know why the channel would be called that. Unless you're going to make paranormal stuff.
In the third video, the dad
Hang on. Let me go like that. Move my big fat head. Oops.
explains that he put a camera in the new bedroom. He says he put his son to bed, and then not long later, this happens.
Don't put your kids in your shitty paranormal TikTok videos. It's bad practice. First of all, the dragon. I'm gonna say right now. I'm not even gonna say it could be this. I'm gonna say that one of them is underneath the bed and just pulls him off, and the kid is in on it. The kid is in on it. Growl you hear, by the way, you have to have headphones on. There's no. The growl is absolutely added in which you should know by now. But the reason we know that is if you listen to it with the headphones, or even just a good sound system, when you hear the kid speak or run across the room like he does at the end of the clip, there's reverb and environmental, spatial, okay, now what's the word I'm looking for? Spatial reverb. Now when you like you probably hear my voice now, there's a tiny bit of echo because of the walls around the room I'm in. The growl, however, has nothing. It has no reverb, has no spatial reverb to the growl. The growl is added in. That's an easy way to spot that. Audible bullshit is what it is. Don't put your kids in your TikTok videos, man. Come on. If you want to make your paranormal creepy videos, fine. Leave your kids out of it. See that growl, there is no reverb, there's no echo, nothing. And it's not because they're in like an echoless room. Every room, no matter how soundproof you think it is, has that tiny bit of reverb, you know, in the from the surrounding walls. The kid has the reverb. When he runs across the room is the reverb, but the growl has nothing. It's completely added in. On to the next one. Number 4.
Imagine you are outside and you're walking up to your house, about to go inside and relax for the remainder of the day.
Number 3. Oh, we're on to UFOs.
UFO sighting videos are absolutely everywhere on the internet, especially if you're a fan of the popular horror subreddits.
Okay, I've seen this video. This exact video, this has been going around for years, this triangle of lights. And it has been proven, I can't remember by who now, but it's been proven as added in post. And what they've done is they filmed something else saying, oh my god, what's this? Looking up to the blank sky at night. And then they've added it in post, put some pixelation over it, put a slight motion blur over it, and it's basically keyframed, I should say. I've seen this video before, so this was proven to be fake. I'm sure it was a couple of years ago, and I think it's even featured on Corridor Digital. If you don't know who Corridor Digital is, I'm a big fan of them. They do special effects work and like 3D animations and stuff, and anything to do with 3D special effects. And now and again, they've been doing debunking videos. Corridor crew, I hope you see this. I'm a big fan. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that exact video was already proven fake many years ago. It was just added in, keyframed, motion blurred, pixelated slightly, obviously to give it that more realistic effect of look how pixely my video is. You can't see the UFO. And that's it. And what's good is pretty good because it actually passes behind the lamppost they pass in. But it is, you know, easy to do. Bro, what the? You can even see the motion blurring. Now, I'm gonna say, right, I'm not 100%, but I'm pretty sure this is the exact footage I saw years ago, proven to be fake and added in post. I'm not 100% on that. I'll just say that right now. But this looks exactly like the video in my memories. So look what Reddit says about it. Reddit just believes everything. I want someone to say, oh, this was actually debunked years ago. Oh, hang on, someone's saying it's fake. Let's have a look what they say about it. Logan O says, it's fake. Watch the UFO on the light poles. Took the liberty of screen recorded for you guys. Well, let's have a look where he... Somebody wants to stop the truth coming through. The truth of the fake video. Videographer editor here. Nope, things don't just suddenly go see-through like this because of video compression. This was definitely edited in, and whoever made it just got sloppy right here with the masking shapes. There you go. I'm fairly sure it's the one I saw years ago. Or maybe not years ago, maybe like a while ago, I can't remember. But yeah, it's added in post with motion blur, and when the lampposts go by, it's all you do is cut out the lampposts, mask the lampposts out, add them back in on a top layer of the video, and then play it along as if it was real, and the UFO, once added in, would be behind the lamppost. It's a very simple editing trick. I've used it in quite a few videos. It's very simple to do when you know how to do it. And when you know how to do it, you can see it. This is why whenever like I have a video or something shown in these top fives, and I'm like, oh, that's a mask, and you know, someone will say, I can't see it. When you know how to do it, or you then know how to spot it. It's just the way it is. But yeah, that's a classic UFO fakery. So moving on.
This TikTok username Ben Vesti is
Kind of
about
massive
to enter
explorers.
this eerie abandoned building in the middle of broad daylight. It looks to be an
Right, before we get to the abandoned video, do you know the thing? I used to do urban exploring, and I used to follow a lot of very good urban explorers. I still do Hell on Earth. If you're watching, I'm a big fan. I love urban exploring videos. You get the likes of like Urbex Hill, who, when he's not adding his shitty ghost stuff, is actually really interested in urban exploring videos. Same with other urban exploring channels. They all started off, you know, I'm just going into this creepy abandoned place. I'm going to show you what it looks like. And then 10 or 20 videos in, they're like, the thumbnail, like, I caught a demon in this abandoned place. Or I caught a shadow dude. I mean, get the fucking grip. It just annoys me that interesting videos are just turned into shitty paranormal videos because maybe they weren't getting that as much views as they wanted. It's very annoying. Anyway, let's watch the video before I start waffling.
Because little did he know, he already filmed one way before he even stepped one foot inside the creepy house.
Where?
Take a look.
That is quite possibly. Oh my god. Absolutely added in post. That's one of the worst additions in post I've ever seen. Right, I initially thought it's added in, but it's not. It's physically there. Because you see, before you see it run past the window, you actually see it just starting off. Ready? There he goes. Well, hang on, wait a minute, wait 1 minute. Here's the third option, which I'm looking into right now.
He filmed one way before he even stepped one foot inside the creepy house. Take a look.
It's not gonna. I wanted to carry on because I want to see something. Now I have a couple of theories about this particular clip. All of them are in the bullshittery category. When I first looked at it, I thought it's added in. And then I thought, oh, actually, maybe this is just someone in there just putting something past the window, a bit of shenanigans. And then the third option, I thought, it's a smudge on their camera lens. So I wanted to see if the video went a bit further to see if that smudge was still there on other parts of the video, but unfortunately not. But now I'm heading back to the added in post. Right, it's there now, no, so it's not centered the camera there, so it's not a smudge on a lens. We know that much, right? Because it's already there in the other window. But there's no motion to it. So it's not someone running past the window, because there's zero motion to it. But right there, it's bang in the center of the shots. It's not a smudge on a lens, we know that much. Ah, right, I can see it. It's added in post. Right, so you see it start off in that window. They all probably just added that to, you know, have the effect of it being inside. Right there. See that black line there? It means it's added in post because they forgot. When they keyframed that little shenanigans in, they didn't quite fix the frame when they went to the end of the window. That's how you know it was added in. Am I 100% on that? No, I'm not, but that's exactly what it looks like for someone who's done that many times. So moving on.
This video posted to Instagram shows a biker riding around on a dirt trail in the forest on a nice sunny day. At one point in the video,
What's he
the
doing?
biker
Wheelies?
stumbles across a huge pile of bones, which is quite unsettling obviously. However, before he even has a chance to think about which way he wants to go, he notices that it just got unreasonably quiet around him, which is when he spots this out of the corner of his eye.
Holy crap, dude, this trail going on forever.
Oh, look at that.
It just got really quiet really fast.
I don't know what that's supposed to be. Stop saying enhanced video. There's nothing enhanced about that. You just made it more pixely. Hang on. Wait. Right, once again. Once again, it's added in post. And why is that? I hear you ask. I'm sure you're asking. Right, I'm going to put this in my software because step by step's not working on YouTube. 2 seconds. Just realized you couldn't hear me. Now we're going to look into my Adobe Premiere. Right, I took this into my software, right? Because it's easier for me to step forward and back. There's the creepy. Right, now, the reason I know this is added in. Remember I said what I said earlier about keyframing something in. Now, if you got motion, the best way he should have done that is to use camera tracking. He didn't use camera tracking in this, he just keyframed it in. He placed the image of the ghost in his, in his video, and then he keyframed it to follow, he went step by step keyframing it to follow the motion of his camera. He did it the manual way, which is a good way to do it, but it just takes time and you gotta be spot on with the keyframing. And the reason I know this is because if you watch the ghost, it's not a ghost, but right there, it wobbles. I wish I could show you better, honestly, but I know what I'm looking at. If you don't keyframe something in correctly with motion of the video, you'll have, say for example, you'll have a turn like that to the left, and then you want to keyframe big bald head into the same footage, and you do it manually, so you follow each frame, keep moving it with the camera. But if there's like a frame or two where you moved it up instead of down, it's gonna like wobble. That's the only way I can explain it, and that's why I'm pretty certain that's added in post. Like almost every single video in this Spooks one so far.
Steps on the gas pedal and guns it out of there as fast as he can.
If you're watching in fast motion, you can see it better. Not fast, but like normal motion.
What in the world could this creature be, and what did it want with the uploader?
And that is it. Did I debunk anything? I don't know. I definitely gave some logical explanations though, and I'm gonna go with my explanations. I think 3 out of the 5 clips were just added in post, keyframed in. The one with the kid, the audio is 100% added in for reasons I stated before, and obviously I think that's it. But anyway, that was Sir Spook's top 5 scary videos to never watch alone. I watched it alone. I was alright. But I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you like this video. Leave a sub if you're new to my channel. I do this quite often. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll be back again with another top 5 very soon. It's part of this ongoing series. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.